What is up, guys? I'm DJ100024 2.0. And today, I went to Target the other day, and I got two official Mediocre Kids 2 BE toys. Now, they're pretty cool. So, some people already know it. I think Dr. Rabbit. Who knows? I mean, Satan's friend knows. There's people who know. Oh, ADL does. Like, why am I pointing out to people who does? I don't really care about that. But I went to Target and I got these, and they're really cool. I mean, they're not cool, and I'm gonna unbox them in front of you. So, 3, 2, 1. Now, they're not. They're might. There might not be anything special about these toys, but this toy is really cool. So we're just gonna unbox it in front of you with these amazing scissors. Hopefully come through. So this is the Octopus Orchestra. Now, just a sneak peek. Now, I got these the other day and I showed everybody. So yeah, some people might not know. Most people watching might not know. So whatever. Let's open it. Hold on. Big yellow, okay. Here's what we're gonna do, okay. Say, do it the TJ style. Get your foot in. Hold it while you tear it apart. Hold on. So we're close. We're close. So, here's that. So, on the bottom of here. Ooh. Violin. Green. Verde. Violin. Violin. Okay. Although you can skip like 10 seconds. Because obviously this is gonna take forever to open, isn't it? Yes, it is. I'm just ripping these out. I don't care. Violin, piano, green, verde, red, violin, violin. Violin. Is that even Jules Flag? I don't know. Green, verde, red, violin, violin, red. I am sorry you're hearing all this. Trompeta, piano, orange, naranja, green. As you see, it's like the sequel to the you know those, if any of you have that being Neptune thing, you know the one that plays music stuff? Yes. We got one. Violin, red, orange. Orange? Okay. We finally got it open. Here's the toy. Now let's review it. So, here. Oh, of course it played Bane Neptune music. Let's see what else to play. I'm not gonna play the full list. So, as you see, the Einstein Company, you can't really see that. But there's a B Einstein logo somewhere. B Einstein, the new bad logo. Let's do this. Hold on. I guess that's from Bane Neptune too. Pick more levels. Yes. We'll example once, I think. Yeah. That's it, basically. Hold on, I'm trying to think. Oh, the Space Mutant! Well, my first season. The seasons one, the seasons concerto. That was it. Oh my god, I was thinking Balloon Animal all the time. Here's the interesting one. You're not gonna hear anything yet, but here's something. Let's not count. So basically, I got the octopus. This is just quick because unboxing is nothing really much, and I'm in a rush. Right? And I got be that target, and hold on. Oh yes, that might be a spoiler. See, it sounds like the light. We'll see. Okay, whatever. Okay, no. What? Yes. Yes, might be a spoiler. I don't know. So basic. What in the world? Hold up. I'll put on some 6 for you. Why am I? Weird sound effects. The McDonald. So basically I got the octopus one for about 19, and I got this for about 11? 11.99, I think. I'm not sure. Okay. And the second one? Okay, we're almost finished with that. Not cracked. Okay. So here's the phone. So as you might have seen, let's test that out. Band sign logo right there. Oh, hello on my cell phones.
Let's count 1.
But here's the awesome thing. Do you notice that? That's Bill Weisbach music. This is actually music on a video, and then they edited. And that's the end. What the hell? The end song, like the end sound effect from Neighborhood Animals. And as you see, Big Galileo, as you see right there. I claim NOS music for the movement, I think. I forgot, hold on. Yeah. And of course, the one I stuck on the first season. Spring. That sounds like either from the video or like the soundtrack. And of course, Babe Bach. I didn't even know that, right? So, whatever. And that's a really cool edit from Babe Bach. And of course, also from Babe Bach, the Wonder Variations Cannons. Ta-da-da. And it's from Beethoven. I don't think that's the one from Beethoven. Maybe it is. You guys can tell me in the comments. Yeah. And look, they even have sound rebuffs.
7, 8, 9.
Whatever. That's from Baby Van Gogh. And I think that's from Baby Bach.
Let's
and what in the world? They Neptune, maybe? I can experiment with the story. I can do several reviews and stuff if you want me to. I don't really care. Oh. Is it French? No. What? Oh, okay.
Vamos a contar. 1, 2, 3.
So, this was a quick review of just me opening things. Honestly, I really want to unbox it for you guys. Tell me if you want to do a review. So, this is the cool thing about it, actually. That's cool. That's cool. So, that's all for this video today. I think I forgot to say "and" today in my intro. So, what's up, guys? This is 10024.2.0, and today we're gonna do an unboxing. Or I think I already said that. So now I'm signing out, and this is the end of the video. I hope you liked it, and please subscribe. I haven't been getting sub lately, so if you hit that subscribe button, I'd really appreciate it. So, this is DJ100024 2.0 signing out. I'm Swaggy. No, Swaggy. Swaggy was trying to sign out. No, this is DJ100024. Oh, 100024 2.0. No, I'm doing a stream now. I forgot to mention that. Okay, this is DJ100024 2.0 signing. I always have problems signing out. Okay, whatever. Okay, this is DJ100024 2.0 signing out.